Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create cinematic scrolling video effect using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my VN Video Editor and I'm going to create new project. And first of all guys, you need to create a video collage like this. And here I have made two video collages and I'm just going to select one of them and we can click on next, and then I'm going to add my second video collage to this project. I'm going to tap on this option and then select video, and I'm going to select my second video collage. Wait, I'm going to search for it. Okay, this one. I'm going to click on the fit button to fit the screen. Okay, and I'm going to cut my second video. Wait. Okay, and then I'm going to apply keyframe to create the cinematic scrolling effect. I'm going to apply keyframe to my first video. Tap on the keyframe and go to the end part of the video and add you can move it up until it's almost out of frame. Okay, and then apply keyframe to your second video. Go to the end part of your second video, add the keyframe, and then you can go to the beginning and you have to move it down like this. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to take a look at the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic scrolling video effect using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.